Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the TerraMaster F4-424,
a sleek and powerful network-attached storage device designed for small businesses and home offices.
Let's see if it lives up to the hype.
First impressions matter, and the TerraMaster F4-424 doesn't disappoint. Sporting a black plastic enclosure with perforated TerraMaster badges for increased airflow, this NAS device exudes simplicity and functionality. But don't let its minimalist design fool you.
Inside, it's packed with features tailored for small businesses.
With 4 front-loading drive bays supporting both HDDs and SSDs, along with tool-free drive sleds for easy hot swapping, expanding your storage capacity is a breeze.
Connectivity options are where the F4-424 truly shines.
Equipped with multi-gig LAN ports, USB-C, USB 3.2, and even an HDMI output, this NAS device ensures seamless integration into your existing network setup.
And let's talk about performance.
Powered by an Intel N95 quad-core CPU and 8GB of DDR5 RAM, the F4-424 delivers snappy file transfer speeds, making data management a breeze.
In our tests, transferring a 4.9 GB folder was a breeze.
With write speeds reaching up to 178 Mbps and read speeds hitting 280 Mbps on multi-gig connections, this NAS device proves its worth in the speed department. But it's not just about speed. The F4-424 also offers versatile RAID configurations, including RAID 0, RAID 1, RAID 5, and more, ensuring data redundancy and protection. However, where the F4-424 falls short is its app catalog. While it provides essential apps like File Manager and Backup, the selection pales in comparison to some competitors. So, if you're looking for extensive customization options, you might find yourself wanting more.
In conclusion, the TerraMaster F4-424 is a robust NAS device that ticks many boxes for small businesses. With its sleek design, impressive performance, and array of connectivity options, it's a solid choice for those looking to streamline their data management. And that wraps up our review of the TerraMaster F4-424. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques.
Until next time, happy tech hunting!